draw one random basic Pokemon. Okay. Another Ponyta. Wait lang, before we attack. Let's... Ayan, tapos... I evolve Ponyta with Rapidash na minus 20 na because the attack ni Rattata earlier. Supposedly, Rapidash has 100 HP, now 80 lang kasi it was also deducted from Ponyta. What? Okay, go. Yes. I got 1 point na. 1 point na tayo. Hala, Jigglypuff ang kalaban. Lakas ng Jigglypuff na to. Can I evolve with Vantage Course? Yeah, I can evolve now. Yun. And attack natin with Fire Main. Boom! Yan, dami na ano. Pwede nyo siya mag-attack. Oh, Farfetch! Let's lagay natin na Farfetch sa bench cards. Tapos, Fire Main again. Oh, 2 points na tayo. 2 points na. Isang energy ball na lang for Vantage Course. Panalo na. This is a win na guys.